Hi everyone, my name is Najwa Budor. How often do you? I sometimes eat pizza. I always take to my best friend. I often play sport. I sometimes eat out. I sometimes go swimming. I often ride a bike. I always listen to music. I sometimes speak another language. I rarely stay in hotels. I sometimes draw pictures. I sometimes watch a show. I often read books. I usually clean my room. I always write with a pen. I sometimes watch the news. I rarely drink soda. I sometimes get a haircut. I always go to bed early. I sometimes back. I often eat candy. Thank you. Bye bye.